Downloading your account data from Google is a straightforward process that allows you to access your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access data and personalization. Once signed in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section in the left-hand menu. This area contains options related to your data management and privacy settings. Step 3. Go to Download your data. Scroll down to find the Download your data option, which is often linked to Google Takeout. Click on this option to start the process of selecting the data you wish to download. Step 4. Select data to download. You will see a list of Google services with checkboxes next to them. Select the specific data you want to download by checking the appropriate boxes. You can also choose the file type and size for your download. Step 5. Create export. After selecting your data, click on the Next button. Follow the prompts to create your export. You will receive a notification via email once your data is ready for download. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Google. Make sure to keep your downloaded data secure and private.